How we can diagnostic with HMI. Another thing, another control that is really useful on HMI is System Diagnostic. I have a page here for that, and that's it. System Diagnostic View. I just put it here, and let's go and see what we have on properties. These are general, just mode, distribute, IO view or device view. There is no difference between them here because we are on runtime, and this is about appearance, just toolbars, and the column that you can check and uncheck them. Okay guys, this is really useful. I use it in my all-of project because operator or the engineer that is working there, he or she can understand immediately what's going wrong. So I just put it here on diagnostic views. As you can see, everything is fine. I recommend that use it on your project. I really like it. When we have IO, you can see all of your IO, for example 82 and 200 SAP, or everything that we have on project. That's it guys. You can have this template if you want to just receive this template. Just put a comment and I will send it to you. Have a good time and take care.